And now, we are to begin the international contest of the world's coldest pea.
Woo! Japan!
That's insane. He didn't even move. Dude, that's art.
It's like ice just obeyed him.
Perfect control.
USA. It's freezing. Look,
The river.
USA.
It's freezing.
Bro, it's freezing the whole thing.
That's cold.
Yes, USA.
Representing Pinoy pride. Philippines.
Ay, walang kwenta.
Wala na, talo na yan.
USA na talaga ang champion.
Bakit kasi yan ang sinali?
Walang effect, pre.
Hype kayo. Sinong umihi sa lupa? Sobrang lamig.
And now, the overall world's coldest pea champion, Philippines.